Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is Visual Studio Code 1.52.1, and I need to do a little refactoring. I've got some very long variables or things I just don't like with structure, so I'm going to select this one, preview the sentence 1, right-click, change all occurrences. Now you see that there are 1, 2, 3 occurrences right here, and I found that the best way is you have to be very careful because I put the cursor in the middle of the variable, and you can see that it mangled my change value. So it's Control Z that. Let's try again by putting it at the beginning and then deleting. That didn't work either. So let's try again. I'm going to change all occurrences of preview sentence 1. Change all occurrences. And now I put the cursor at the beginning, and you can see, again, it has totally destroyed all of the others. Even though I'd only deleted the P in preview, the other instances were deleted as well. That's not what you want. So one more time. I found the best way to get maximum use out of this is to actually just type right over whatever you wanted. So in this case, I'm going to write sentence 1, and you can see sentence 1 has been added here. And I'll do the same thing for sentence 2. And right-click, you'll see that change all occurrences is Control F2. So let's go ahead and use Control F2. Control F2, and I'm going to type over sentence 2. And you see down here that it's been changed, it's been changed, and it's been changed. Of course, we want to test it as soon as possible. And you can see you now have sentence 1 and sentence 2. Let's just go ahead and make sure that everything is working. Click sentence 1, and there it is. And I click sentence 2, and there it is. All right, thanks for watching, and happy computing.